What type of zones are to be marked on the map in relation to earthquakes? A. Volcanic activity zones. B. Hurricane impact zones. C. Earthquake-prone zones. D. Tsunami formation zones. The correct answer is C. Earthquake-prone zones. What is the Tamil name for latitude? A. Kadgavrai. B. Ehelangu. C. Nettangu. D. Nilnduvarai. The correct answer is B. Ehelangu. Which two countries are mentioned as exceptions regarding the UN Convention on the Law of the Sea 2013? A. India and China. B. United States and Russia. C. Brazil and South Africa. D. Jordan and Palau. The correct answer is D. Jordan and Palau. What type of rainfall does the southwest monsoon cause in many parts of India? A. Moderate to heavy. B. Light to moderate. C. Scattered to light. D. Heavy to extreme. The correct answer is A. Moderate to heavy. Which river is known as Vridha Ganga? A. Mahandi. B. Brahmaputra. C. Godavari. D. Krishna. The correct answer is C. Godavari. Which feature is characterized by almost vertical sides in a valley? A. Canyon. B. Pothole. C. Gorge. D. V-shaped valley. The correct answer is C. Gorge. What is the primary composition of the Seema layer? A. Aluminum and magnesium. B. Silica and magnesium. C. Iron and nickel. D. Silica and aluminum. The correct answer is B. Silica and magnesium. What percentage of the atmosphere's moisture comes from oceans, seas, lakes, and rivers? A. 50%. B. 10%. C. 90%. D. 75%. The correct answer is C. 90%. What type of urban transport systems are mentioned as being well established or developing in Chennai? A. Monorail and high-speed rail. B. Tram and cable car. C. Suburban railway, MRTS, and metro. D. Bus rapid transit and ferries. The correct answer is C. Suburban railway, MRTS, and metro. Why is North America's climate as varied as Asia's? A. Its proximity to oceans. B. Its vast latitudinal extent. C. Its varied topography. D. Its diverse vegetation. The correct answer is B. Its vast latitudinal extent. Where are some patches of laterite soil also found? A. Chennai and Pondicherry. B. Karnataka and Telangana. C. Kerala and Andhra Pradesh. D. Sivgangai and Bengal. The correct answer is D. Sivgangai and Bengal. What is an important use of manganese? A. Making plastic products. B. Producing electricity. C. Making iron and steel. D. Refining crude oil. The correct answer is C. Making iron and steel. How should features be marked on the outline map of India for the activity? A. Using only symbols. B. Using symbols and colors. C. Using only colors. D. Using names only. The correct answer is B. Using symbols and colors. What process causes sand to be lifted and transported by wind? A. Wind erosion and transportation. B. Volcanic activity. C. Water erosion. D. Glacial movement. The correct answer is A. Wind erosion and transportation. Where do native people in South America still live and maintain their languages and traditions? A. Desert regions and islands. B. Coastal cities and plains. C. Urban areas and suburbs. D. Mountain and rainforests. The correct answer is D. Mountain and rainforests. Which of these is a biosphere reserve mentioned in the text? A. Nanda Devi. B. Pachmadhi. C. Gulf of Mannar. D. Agasthyamlai Biosphere Reserve. The correct answer is D. Agasthyamlai Biosphere Reserve. What characteristic of forest and mountain soils changes with the parent rocks? A. Their character. B. Their color. C. Their organic matter. D. Their moisture content. The correct answer is A. Their character. Which activity became a leading primary activity after early human development? A. Fishing. B. Farming. C. Hunting. D. Mining. The correct answer is D. Mining. What are the indigenous people of Australia called? A. Aborigines. B. Maoris. C. Native Americans. D. Inuit. The correct answer is A. Aborigines. What skin tone is typically found among the Mongoloid race? A. Reddish brown. B. Light yellow to brown. C. Pale white. D. Dark black. The correct answer is B. Light yellow to brown. What physical characteristic is associated with the Mongoloid race? A. Curly hair. B. Dark skin. C. Straight hair. D. Wide nose. The correct answer is C. Straight hair. What is one characteristic mentioned regarding the Mediterranean climate? A. High humidity. B. Frequent blizzards. C. Average rainfall. D. Constant high temperatures. The correct answer is C. Average rainfall. What divides the surface of the Earth into a lighted half and a dark half? A. The equator. B. The terminator line. C. The Tropic of Cancer. D. The prime meridian. The correct answer is B. The terminator line. What are elongated deposits formed along the shore called? A. Stacks. B. Arches. C. Sea cliffs. D. Bars. The correct answer is D. Bars. In which city is the Nuclear Power Corporation of India Limited, NPCIL, based? A. Kolkata. B. Mumbai. C. Chennai. D. New Delhi. The correct answer is B. Mumbai. Rainfall in South America tends to decrease towards which direction? A. The south. B. The interior. C. The coast. D. The north. The correct answer is B. The interior. What percentage does Tamil Nadu contribute to the country's trade through major ports? A. 12.2%. B. 10.94%. C. 15.0%. D. 9.5%. The correct answer is B. 10.94%. Where are third-order landforms formed? A. On plains. B. On mountains. C. On coasts. D. On plateaus. The correct answer is B. On mountains. When did the Mars Orbiter mission, MOM, reach the orbit of Mars? A. 24th September 2014. B. 24th October 2014. C. 24th September 2013. D. 24th September 2015. The correct answer is A. 24th September 2014. What is an eastward extension of the Western Ghats mentioned in the text? A. Kurangani Hill Station. B. Kalugumlai. C. Tvarusnadu and Andipatti Hills. D. Meghamalai. The correct answer is C. Varusnadu and Andipatti Hills. How did you score?